Hello everyone. This is topic attention. This is topic attention. Let's start. Attention. Attention is the term used or the given to the perceptual process that select certain input for including in or the conscious expressions of experiences or the awareness at my given time. It is the process involving the act of the standing and concentrating on a topic, object, or the event for the attainment of decided ends. Decided ends. Attention in the concentration of the consciousness upon one subject other than upon another. Attention is the concentration of the consciousness upon one object other than upon another. Attention is the process of getting an object of the thought clearly before the mind rose. Attention, this is work of the take your force of my work in attention. Type of the attention. First, variants are the Gerard newly feed via the classification of rows. Second, according to him, attention in the branched with. Type of the attention. First, non-volitional attention. Non-volitional attention. Volitional attention. Non-volitional attention. Volitional attention. Non-volitional attention, two type. Enforced attention, spontaneous attention. Volitional attention, implicit attention, explicit attentions. Non-volitional of the involuntary attention. Non-voluntary and the involuntary attention. This type of the attention in aroused without the play of the will here. We attend to one object or the condition without making and the conscious effort. Example, a mother attention toward her caring child for the explain. Example, attention towards the member of the appropriate sex and the towards bright colored, etc. The attention which is the aroused via the statics is called informed non-volitional attention. A young man when with a remark on his sex instinct of his the curiosity, he becomes quite attentive in his task. The other subtype of the non-volitional attention produced by the sentiments in the called spontaneous non-volitional attention. It is the result of the pupillary developed sentiment towards the object or idea of the person around which all sentiments are formed with. Ventilation or voluntary attention. Volitional of voluntary attention. When the exercised wills called upon, it becomes voluntational attention because it develops the consequence efforts or part. It is the last automatic and spontaneous like that of non-voluntary attention and attention played at the time of the solving and assisted problems of mathematics, answering question and examination hall and so on comes under voluntational attention category. This is voluntary in control of voluntational attention and non-voluntary in non-control of my voluntational non-voluntational attention. Thank you guys.